there is a new trend blowing up on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram that features these anthropomorphic objects talking about themselves. Basically, everyday objects turned into characters that talk with dialogue. And the numbers that these videos are pulling are some of the craziest I have ever seen. For example, just look at this Instagram page called Dr. Helix. This page has only uploaded 7 videos and has already gained over 50,000 followers with just 7 videos. And every video is pulling in crazy amounts of views. And here is another example of a similar Instagram page called Science AI Master. And they have also gained over 875,000 followers with just 57 posts. And most of these videos get over 1 million views, as you can see right here. And the craziest example of this specific trend is this Instagram page called Science Pulse. And this page has over 1.1 million followers with just 145 videos. And the crazy thing here is that almost all of the videos here have over 1 million views. And some of these videos are even close to getting 100 million views just in one single video. And the main thing you would notice here is that all these pages that I have shown you here are all in different types of niches. Like, they are not doing the exact same thing and copying each other. Like, they are doing it with all these different types of 3D objects. And that is because the versatility of this specific AI niche is so good that you can basically make videos on any object with this format. And that is basically the main thing that makes this AI niche so good. Now, I'm going to show you how you can create these videos really, really easily without spending a lot of time on a complex workflow that will take hours and would still give you a mediocre result. Whereas the workflow that I am going to teach you today is very simple to understand. And using that specific workflow, you are going to be able to create these videos really, really easily without spending a lot of time or money on them. So the first step of this workflow is going to be using this specific system prompt with an AI model to generate our content ideas and image and video prompts. Now, this is a very well-crafted prompt that can be easily used, so you don't need to tweak it in any way to get the best result possible. What you need to do is to just copy this prompt and paste it into any chatbot that you would like. So you can do it with ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, or any other LLM that you like. Here I am, specifically using this prompt with Gemini 3 Pro inside of Google AI Studio. So I am basically using Gemini here. Now, after pasting in the prompt, you are just going to click on this Run option. And I will leave a link to this specific master prompt in the description. So you can just go to the description and get the master prompt from there. Now, after pasting the prompt, this is what the AI model should respond with, and it will be awaiting input to start. So what you are going to do is just copy this text and paste it again into the LLM and run the prompt. And then basically what is going to happen is that the AI model is going to give you a list of video themes on which you will be able to generate the videos pretty easily. Now, if you don't like any of these ideas, then you can just write something in the prompt box and the AI model is going to generate a theme from that specific idea. But I'm just going to choose one from the 10 separate themes that the AI model has provided. So I think that I'm just going to choose the first option of the modern kitchen theme to create the video on. So I'm just going to, again, copy this text and paste it in here. And again, just click on the Run option. So you can see that this process is pretty simple. It is mostly just copying and pasting. And the AI model now is going to generate all the image and video prompts for this specific video. So the AI model has now generated a few image and video prompts for our video. And as you can see, these prompts are pretty detailed and will have the aesthetic that we want to create this type of specific video. So now what you are going to do is just copy the first image prompt and basically go to OpenArt. And from there, you are just going to click on the images section. And then you're going to click on this Create Image button. And you should choose the Nano Banana Pro AI model here to generate the images as it is right now, the best image generation and editing model. And I specifically like to generate these videos with OpenArt because you get all the things that you need in one place. And right now, it has to be the best AI platform to generate AI videos like this. And I have also left a link for OpenArt in the description so you can just go to the website from there. Now I am going to select the aspect ratio to be 9:16 as we are creating the images for short form content. So I am just going to click on the Create option and wait for the image to generate. All right, so this is the image that Nano Banana Pro created from our prompt. And as you can see, the aesthetic here is identical to that of the viral videos that we are trying to take inspiration from. And this is a very good image generation from that perspective. So after we have generated our first image, we are just going to remove the prompt from here and then go back to Google AI Studio and copy the second prompt from that website. Now we are going to again come to OpenArt and paste in the prompt to generate another similar image. And this is the image generation that we got here. And as you can see, this is that of a modern blender with a face. And this also keeps the aesthetic that we want for these specific images. So these image generations are really great here. So in this way, you are basically going to generate all the images for your video. Now let me show you how you can generate the videos from these images in the same place. So now to do that, we are just going to click on the image that we want to generate the video from and click on this image to video section. And the image is automatically going to be added to the image to video section here. And we can now generate the video from the image. But before that, we are going to click on the select model section and click on the VO3 option here, as VO3 is currently the best AI model to generate these types of videos, as the audio quality of VO3 here is really good. And also in the settings, you should always click on the newest version of the VO models, which is VO 3.1, and not just the VO 3.0 version. And also in the setting option, you should change the aspect ratio from 16 to 9 to 9 to 16 to get the best result for this specific type of video. Now for the last step in generating our video is to just add the prompt. So to do that, we are again going to go to the Google AI Studio, and from there just copy the video prompt and paste it here to generate our video. So just click on the create option and see what kind of video we get. And this is the video that VO3 created here.
Pick a setting or get out of my face!
And as you can see, this video looks pretty good and can be used as a scene on our short video. Now in this way, you are basically going to create all the videos. Now after generating all the videos, what you are going to do is basically you are going to bring all these videos into a video editor. And after coming here, you are just going to put these videos one after the other respectively, or you can just put them in whatever way you want, because there is not actually any story in this video. These types of videos are just a bunch of high retention clips put together. And because of that, these videos are so addictive. And the video editor I am using here is Filmora, but you can use any kind of video editor that you want. Now you should also delete the silent parts in the video to make the video much better. So in this way, you are going to be able to create a really good video like this.
Pick a setting or get out of my face! I am not a Keurig, you absolute peasant! Stop opening the door at 1 second left!
Now, this was a quite short video, around 10 seconds long, but you can make these videos as long as you want, as it is just stitching clips together. You can make these videos 30 to 40 seconds long or even more if you want. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.